Not yet. I want to see them on.
I'm working at it, Sean. I'm working.
Then I want you up the rope tow.
John, I need as far as I'm going.
Zola, tell her how to put those things in there.
Push.
Aha. We heard the click. How many hours of ski lessons you had?
About 30 minutes. I got tired. That's because you're a good girl. Can I get out of these now?
Zola can hang.
I can. Can I get out of these now?
Lean forward, Ann. Snowplow for us. Show her how to snowplow, Zola. Give her instructions.
Spread
your legs. More. Point your toes together.
Kick those heels out. Keep your tips together. Lean forward.
But you don't put one ski on top of the other.
Could we get me out of this? You know how to get mine off? Mine off right here. No, you have to lift mine up. Right here.
Either that or she goes to the top like that.
That's right, or I'm stuck for the rest of my life.
There you go.
Now do the other one just like that.
Hi, Zola.
Hi.
How you doing? Step by step, and inch by inch. And there goes the other Cheney. Daddy Cheney. Stand there together, you two. Smile at me.
Smile at Mama.
So, John.
Smile at you.
Follow Zola down.
Okay, Zola, it's all yours.
Can you take pictures of me if I come back with that?
I sure will.
On my t-shirt?
You better come back up in one piece, John Cheney.
Huh?
I said, you better come up in one piece. Look at her. She's doing so great at this. Well, use her championship start tomorrow.
Maybe they'll let me run.
Be careful, honey. Bye. Bit of film we ever get of him without a cast on. Better take advantage of it. I swear. Okay. Barely see him. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes with some strange woman, I swear. Okay.
The one that stopped?
Nope. He's coming down. He's snow plowing all the way, it looks like.
Where?
I saw his cap a minute ago.
So a lot of people have the same time. No!
We're going to take movies here. You keep looking for Daddy.
I just hope he hasn't killed himself.
Yeah, I do too. Can you smile at me?
Hi.
You keep looking for Dad. We're going to get a little bit of scenery in here.
sorry.
Looking at Samantha dog. You see him yet, Zola? Who's that coming down by themselves there? Is that Daddy? See that guy? It's not Dad.
Daddy wouldn't do that.
In my purse.
Oh.
I didn't get them out. Whoa, it's cold out here. Would you hurry up?
Well, I got about another 500 feet of film.
Well, here, just cut up there and check these mountains right there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Should be down in your purse, baby, in the zipper part.